Presenting Sony Bravia 43 inches Full HD LED Smart TV. This Full HD TV with the refresh rate of 50 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. The high dynamic range with X Reality Pro upscales the pictures from various sources like set-top box and other devices nearer to Full HD. Motionflow XR technology provides smooth and clear pictures with reduced blur in high-speed scenes, which is best for gaming and watching action movies. The Sony Smart TV lets you play high dynamic range games at ease. You can add YouTube and Netflix hotkeys in the smart remote to access them in one click. This TV features screen mirroring and lets you watch 100,000 plus hours of content from Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. This TV comes with 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports for easy connectivity. The 20 watts powerful open Baffle speakers with ClearAudio Plus technology ensure a surround sound experience. Inside the box, you will find one smart LED TV, one tabletop stand, smart remote, 2 AAA batteries, power cable, user manual and warranty card. The TV comes with standard manufacturer warranty of 1 year. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.